So what up world, it's your boy Reyes, we back again, this time bringing you a classic. If you probably read the description already, these are the Nike Fear of God ones. I got these in the triple black, ready to show you, but real quick, if you can do me a favor, man, please subscribe on that YouTube channel, link is gonna be in the bio. If not, if you're on YouTube watching it, please subscribe down below, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you tell your friends, tell a friend, anything, man, spread the positivity. Like I said, back again, I've been busy, it's your boy Reyes, and today, like I'm telling you, bro, we got a classic, we got a hit on this one. This is the Fear of God ones. And mainly what I really wanted to shoot this video, size 10.5, mainly why I really wanted to shoot this video is to show y'all the packaging for this shoe. This shit is crazy, this shit is ridiculous. I can't remember what sneaker that I've personally picked up like recently that has a better packaging than this. But I mean, that might go ahead with the retail price of $350. So yes, these retail at $350, going for a little more than that right now, but these are the triple blacks, and let's get right into it. We ain't wasting no time today. So as you can see, we got the big square orange Nike box. You might not even be able to see it from there. This is very, very faint, very small, same color. It does say Fear of God right there in the middle. I'm pointing right there. I don't know if you could even see it, but it's gonna be right there. Right off the top, first thing that you see in this box right here. Whoops. You got like a little, let's say, tin foil, little packaging right here. This ain't that gas. This says Air Fear of God right there in the front. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to pick that one up. You see? Yeah, right there. And then you got your nice little Nike logo on the back. I'm not gonna open this up right now just for obvious reasons, but I do know what's in here, and I will have it playing in the background. But you do have, I believe, like 2 Nike Fear of God dog tags, and you have like a couple lace locks in there as well too. Let me see. Nope, you don't have any other pair of laces. There's gonna be the lace locks in there as well too. So this is something cool that it brings. Like I said, retail price of $350. They gotta include some other things into it. So you got that right there. Another thing that it does bring is this big bag. It looks like a mesh bag. It's gonna be all black. It's pretty big. You know, for your beach day or whatever, you gotta carry your kicks with you on the road. Ain't nothing really inside, but it's a good material. You might look at it and you might think that it's like very light, but nah, man, it's kind of mesh. You see the cloth inside right there. You got the Nike logo on this side, and then you have the Air Fear of God on this side. Like I said, it's black on black. You might not even be able to see it, but this is your bag. You want to carry your kicks on you on the road, but it is what it is. You know, something nice. I haven't seen a shoe that comes with a bag like this, like the Fear of God one. So you got this there too. And then if you look at the box, you got your orange wrapping paper, and then you got, once again, once you lift that up, you got that same tin foil material. And this time, what are they putting inside? We got the shoes right inside. So this I got one at a time, and then I'm gonna show you the other one, so we're gonna really look into it. Let me see. Bam, you got your other tin foil there, so you got both of them there. And I'm gonna show y'all both. I think there's something a little different with them, so let's just take a look at both real quick. So first off, you bring this out, and here you go. This is the Fear of God ones. This is the triple black. This is the 10th one that they've released from this same model. This, if I haven't said it before, this is made from, I'm sorry, Nike collaborated with Lorenzo. Lorenzo has his own streetwear brand, which is called Fear of God. They collaborated with him and they made this. First thoughts of this is probably like the epitome of luxurious basketball sneaker. You still have your sneaker in the bottom, you know, your same grip right there. I forgot what other Nike has that in the bottom, but some sort of Air Max. I'm not 100% sure. You can correct me in the comments. I ain't taking no threat to that. You go ahead, help me out there. But let's get right into the sneaker, all the little details that they got. So right there in the back, you have the Nike Air, and then it reads right there, it says Fear of God. So you have that right there, everything black on black. This is the triple black pair. So, and then right here on the side, you have Air Fear of God, serial number 8329166. Not sure if they all have that same one or if it's a different one, but you do see it right there. It's actually real cool. Small little details on an all black shoe. You always gotta appreciate it. More for the owner, you know, people really won't really notice that. So You got your thick laces right here too. Very durable, thick laces here. At the bottom of the shoe, it's rubber pretty much throughout this whole part. You got the Nike logo right there as well too. Not sure if you'll be able to pick that up, but this part right here of the toe box, it is 3M. I'll probably have a picture of it up on the Instagram so you can see what the 3M kind of looks like, but it'll be right there in that toe box. Like I said, this is kind of rubber throughout this whole area here, rubber throughout the side panel right here as well too. This is more like a suede right here in the toe box, and then right after this you do jump into like a mesh material. It's real nice. Damn, actually, whoa, hold up. Inside, let me see if you're gonna be able to catch this. You might not be able to, but inside you kind of got like a little bit of perforated side parts right here. It's actually kind of like a suede as well too, but perforated, so you know, adds a little bit of breathability to the shoe. It's actually really nice, looks very comfortable. And then you also have your sneaker down here. I mean, not your sneaker, this is your all right, and then right here you actually have your zipper. This is a pretty high shoe, so you know having your zipper is gonna help putting it on. Right there too. And bang, that's how it is. You got this back tab right here pretty much to hold your ankle and hold everything in place. If you do read it right here, it does say fear of God right there as well too. So this shoe has a lot of small details on it. You can take this out right here. They actually provide you with the white laces just in case you want to do it. If I would rock these shoes, I definitely rock the white laces just to add like a little bit of more touch, a little bit of more flavor to it. You know, the black and white, you can never go wrong with it. You can't go wrong with the all black, but just a thin little layer of white will really make it pop. Real dope. I think that's what I would do on it for sure. You take off your paper right here, and then you have that same serial number on the inside with an orange perforated insole right there. So if you want to take a look at that right there, that's what we got right there. All around looks like a comfortable shoe. Like I said, Jerry Lorenzo, man, that guy is amazing with his designs. Check him out. This isn't the only type of shoe that he does. He does have a lot more things on his website. Maybe a little expensive, but actually the other day he had a 50% off on the whole site. A lot of people were complaining because it was already expensive anyways, but if something's expensive, it's for a reason. And at the same time, with a 50% off, it was crazy. He said it was almost like Black Friday, I guess in April or whatever last month it was. So again, this shoe is crazy. Like I said, it's a luxurious basketball shoe. Would I play basketball on these? Probably not. This is not for me. I mean, it's gonna secure my ankles. I've had ankle issues before, but it's not for me. Someone who has played basketball with it, that boy PJ Tucker. PJ Tucker, king of sneakers on the court. I'm not sure about off the court, but on the court for sure, PJ Tucker the GOAT. As you can see right there, this boy balling up with the fear of gods right here. So my personal opinion, let me bring out the other shoe. My personal final thoughts on this sneaker. Real dope. I love the Fear of God ones itself, like all together. I think the design of this shoe is incredible. That's why it has that 350 price tag. There's really none like it. It's real dope. But if you ask me, this colorway is dope, all black. It's gonna match with everything, but there's about 9 other colorways that have released. Like I said, this is the only one that's all black. I may pick a lot more of the other colorways for obvious reasons, just because it's gonna be able to match a little bit more. There's tan colorway, there's the light gray ones. Damn, they even has like that orange cream one and like a lime green one as well too that are just ridiculous. So I'm a huge fan of the model. This colorway is dope, but it is not my favorite. Something else a little extra, you also do have that, looks like a tan, but it's not really too tan. Very dull tan other pair of laces in here, so it does bring 2 extra laces with it. So like I said, if you're asking me if I am gonna rock them, I would definitely rock them with the white laces. I'll rock the fuck out of these shoes though. That's the thing though, these shoes are hard as fuck. I've had a conversation with about like 5 people and they've all said it's nice, but it's not for me. And like, I definitely understand it, bro, but I'd rock the fuck out of these sneakers. So here it is, guys. This shit is a classic. The Fear God ones. Shout out to Jerry Lorenzo. Oh, real quick, shout out to City Morgue, them New York boys. I love this sweater. This shit is comfy as fuck. It's a V-Lone collab, so shout out Barry as well too. But this is nice. This is real comfy. I'm wearing this shit in the house. It's cold as fuck right now. So here we go. Fear Gods. You love them, you hate them, tell me about it. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow, everything, bro. Follow at I've Been Busy. Go to subscribe to I've Been Busy if you want to see more content. I'm telling you, I got a lot more shit to it. We ain't just doing sneakers. Stay tuned to the future. Summer's coming up. We got a lot of shit planned for it. You dig?